Hi. So in this session we are going to deal with the salary calculation, pay slip and payroll, salary rules, everything. Salary every calculations related to the salary is explained in this module. So for that you have a module named HR, then under that you have a payroll menu, payroll, employee payslip and payslip batches. These are the calculating module, and you have the configuration page for the payroll, which is really important to structure your salary. For that you have three important concepts to know, that is contribution register, salary rules and salary structures. These three are really important. Once again I'm saying contribution registers, salary rules and salary structures. First we are configuring the contribution registers, then the salary rules are configured, then only the salary structure is configured. Ultimately the salary structure is assigned to each employee for calculating its salary. Okay, for each employee we are first creating an employee once he has joined the company. Then for each employee we are creating the contract, that is a role of the employee in the organization, and its basic wages, everything is created separately for each of the employee. Then the salary rules are created. Before that, so contribution register are created, salary rules, then salary structure is assigned to each of the employee, and based on that the pay slips or the salary calculations is done. Okay, so going to the contribution registers. Okay, what is a contribution register? Contribution register is nothing but the third party involved in the salary payment of the employee. Okay, third party involved means that an employee and employer, there is a contribution of the employee and employer in the salary, that is say PF. There the employee and employer is contributing something to the from the salary. Okay, employee is contributing something from the salary as a PF, that is a deduction from the salary. So the third party involved in the salary, that is PF. Okay, professional tax, the employee and employer is giving the contribution for the taxes. So each of these are the contribution register, that is the terms involved, that is the deductions are the terms involved in the salary as a contribution. Okay, these all are registered here. Okay, hope you have understood this concept, contribution registers. Then if you need to create one contribution, you can just create the name, just test, okay, any of them, write the description and saving. This is just the contribution registers, it has came here. So contribution registers are first configured and created as per your requirement. After that the salary rules are created. This is where your salary rule is set. For example, I will show you one, the basic salary rule. Okay, its name is basic and its category is basic, whether you can say this is allowance or reduction or everything, you can set it as basic. Okay, then the code showing is basic, then active, it should work in the Odoo system, then appears on payslip. This check means that this calculation will show in the payslip, and if this is unchecked, the calculation is done but it won't show in the payslip. Then condition based on, this says that the salary rule will work under some conditions, or it should be always true. If this is always true, then no problem, for all workers set to the salary rule will work it automatically. In the other case, whether this set as range, okay, whether if this salary rule explained the salary structure, and that salary structure is assigned to some employee A, okay, so that employee is calculating the salary, and in that case if we are setting the range as say 5,000 to 10,000 range, salaried employees will get this basic rule. Okay, in that case the rule will work for only those employees who have the salary from 5,000 to 10,000 range, or based on some range based on the wage of the employee. No problem. Then Python expression. You can create the Python expression here. You can just write down whether the result is based on the basic plus wage minus deduction based on the leave he has taken in that month. Okay, anything, any rule that you can configure or we can code in this menu as per your requirement. Okay, then Python code computation. Computation is calculated here. Okay, contribution register. You can select which contribution register, the structure, the salary rule assigned to. It can be professional tax, anything. Setting this as test, no problem, any of that as per your requirements. Saving this. Okay, so what happened is we are creating the salary rule, and what is the condition based on the salary rule, and the Python code is created for the condition. Okay, selecting this as previous. Okay, salary role. Okay, salary role should be worked always, and whether I'm setting this as a fixed amount, say 100. Okay, no problem, say 100 as a quantity. Then contribution register set. Saving this. Okay, this is how the salary rule is created. Then child rules, whether any child rules for the salary rule, that is, this is the base one, this is a parent. Based on this parent, do you have any child rule? The same procedure as we are creating the rule, no problem, the same procedure you can create as easily. Then input and descriptions are, if you have any inputs and descriptions, you can write it here. So the salary rule is this. Okay, saying that in which condition the salary rule will work, and what computation should be done. What computation means, what is the basic salary should calculate the base amount, that is a wage plus allowance minus deduction. This is a general formula that we can write here. Basic wage plus allowance minus deduction. Okay, this is a basic rule. Then we are going to the salary structure after contribution registers, then salary rules, then going to the salary structures. Okay, I'm creating a salary structure, name service manager. Okay, base for new structures, or what it is, base for new structures, or manager salary, or what do you have, you can choose it here. Who is the parent. Okay, then reference service managers, and salary structures created, where you can choose which all are the salary rules relating to this. So basic, gross, net, house rent, all salary rules will work for this. Okay, then selecting this, all will work for this salary structure. This is how a salary structure is created. Salary structure is nothing but the structure for a group of employees. That is, you can set it for each of the employee, and say this employee is working under this structure. This employee is a manager, so he has the structure of manager's salary. Okay, this is how the salary is created. Every employee should have a salary structure that is selected in contract. Okay, wait a minute. Edit HR settings. Okay, going to contract, edit. Okay, every employee, this is an employee's name, so every employee has got a contract, and the salary structure is explained in this contract. Okay, this says that he has a 4,000 wage plus marketing executive salary structure. That is, wage plus this salary structure will work for this employee. Okay, so for each contract, for each employee, there is a salary structure. Okay, that's confirmed. Okay, then I'm saying salary rule, salary structure, and everything has done. Now configuration has been completed. Then going to the employee pay slip. If you are creating each employee's pay slip separately, then you can go for employee pay slip and select the admin. Who's the admin? Okay. While creating the contract in the admin in the contracts menu, we have assume we have selected that he's a marketing executive, so that this field is automatically generated. Okay, from contracts we have said that admin is a marketing executive salary structured employee, so it's automatically created. Then the details are, so we are computing the salary of 5/1 to 5/31, fifth month first to fifth month 31. Okay, we're computing salary. After computation, the salary details will be that will come automatically. That is, he has salary structure of marketing executive. This salary structure show basic, rent, conveyance, gross, provident fund, taxes, everything. Okay, okay, this will show. And if this is right, then we can confirm this or this. You can cancel the payslip also as per your requirement. Okay, good. This is how the employee payslip is separately generated. But in the case if you have a group of employees, salaries should be calculated, then you can create generate payslip. Sorry, you are creating the month of May salary, then May 1st to May 31st salary, generate payslip, then add an item, select all employee. We can select all employee because every employee salary structure is configured in the contract menu, so we can select every employee, then select and generate. This will automatically generate the salary computation from SL slip 38 to slip 65. The whole employee salary computation has been done. Then we are saving this. Okay, then each of the employees confirmation from 30 from 38 these are previously created salary. Now I am choosing from 38. Each of the employee salary should be confirmed or cancelled by taking each person's salary checking after. Okay, this is in the draft state. What does that mean is payslip batches will compute the salary, but it won't confirm it. It's just compute it. Then after that, for each of the employee, we need to go to the employee payslip, and for that slip number, we are taking that slip number, then confirming or cancelling it by checking each of that. Okay, this is done. Then 38 has been done. Then next one is employee payslip 39. Okay, I'm cancelling this. I don't want this. So set to draft. Then going to the 40. Then I am confirming this. This is how the salary calculation is done. Why this is so? Because if you have calculated the every employee's salary, and there may be some elements extra or some calculation mistake can be done somewhere there. So for each employee's confirmation, for each employee's salary calculated should be confirmed separately in order to reduce the errors or work the environment or work the system smoothly. For that, each of the employees salary calculated should be confirmed separately. There's just a reason for confirming each of the employees salary separately. Okay, this is how the employee's salary is calculated. Contribution registers are configured, salary roles configuration, and salary structures configuration, then employee payslip and payslip batches. Okay, it's all about the payslip module or HR underscore payroll module. Thank you for hearing this video. Thank you very much.